Don't you pretend like you know me. If you don't know, then you don't know. If you know me, then you know me. I hold it down for my homies. Already made my decision. You know, be part of the vision.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but we're back. And this is a very exciting video. I'm going to be taking out the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But the sad news is, it's not my phone, it's my brother's. But he's let me open this box for my video, so let's get into it. Okay, so we have the phone here. We're gonna leave that till last. Now, here's some. Okay, it says relax with a hot chocolate whilst you set up your new phone. Let's put that there. And there's this card here. What does it say? It says hello. And on the next page, it all started with one little world. We don't need all this. I think we already know how to set up the phone. Okay, anything else in the box? I don't think so. Okay, so let's get onto the phone. I'm gonna open it from the back. Here, go open it from there. There we go. Whoa. Okay. I hope I don't break it. Wow. So we're gonna come back to the phone. Let's put it here. Oh no. I think I'll just put it here on the plastic. And here. AirPods. I think these are these AirPods or earphones? So it's not AirPods. No, let's put that there. And what's this? I think it might be the charger head. I think the new iPhone comes with a fast charger. Open this. Okay. What? Oh, cool. It's not USB-C, but it's a good charger. Let's open that. Oh. Okay. Cable. Okay, so what's in here? Stickers. What's this? It says, what's this? This is to open the SIM card, so let's put that here. Okay, let's go to the phone. Ooh, I created those bubbles. Fresh. I'm not gonna set it up, but I'm gonna switch it on. So basically my brother's gonna do it, so I'm just gonna switch it on. Oh, is there any other plastic? I don't think so. Let's. It worked! It shows the Apple sign, I presume. 5 seconds, well, isn't it supposed to turn on now? Okay, hello. So what I feel about this phone, it's like really nice and it has a smooth back and it has a really clear front. But like if you hold it in one hand, it just feels a teensy bit, well, feels kind of heavy. Actually, it doesn't really, like if you're letting it go like that, then it feels a bit heavy. I'm not going to do a camera test today, but next week's video is going to be me doing the camera test. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya soon.